Hi, I'm Maggie, your LUNA Astrology Ambassador. In this video, I'm going to show you one of my favorite features within LUNA, animating charts in real time. Let's start by getting oriented with the chart screen layout. At the very center of your screen, you will always see the chart itself. LUNA automatically scales the chart to size to fit the space available, so nothing ever gets cut off, whether you're on a desktop like I am, a tablet, or even a phone. On mobile devices, you can also pinch and zoom to read the chart more easily. That's something that is available on desktop as well. I can drag the chart around after zooming in so I can see things more clearly. To the left side of the chart over here, we have the chart info panel, which shows the chart details. We've got the date, the time, the location. On mobile, that panel is stacked above the chart and collapsed by default to save space. Just tap the chart name to open or close the drawer. You will see a save button in this chart info panel. This means that you're viewing an unsaved chart. This is just today's transits right here, right now, at this time. If the chart has been saved, if you're looking at a saved chart, that button will say edit instead. Since this is a transit chart, we can animate it using one of LUNA's standout tools, the Spacetime Navigator. I love the Spacetime Navigator. You will find the Spacetime Navigator on the right side of the screen if you're on desktop, or on the bottom if you're using a mobile device. It will always appear when you're viewing a uniwheel or a biwheel that can be animated. There are two ways to animate a chart. The first being stepping through time. Start by selecting a step size from the first drop-down menu, like 1 day or 2 hours, and then choose a time interval in the second one. So right now, let's bump it to 2 weeks. And then you hit the arrow buttons and you will go forward or backward in the length of time that you have selected. Using the arrow buttons, we can move forward and backward in time based on the settings that you've chosen. You'll see the chart update with each step, and the info panel on the left side will update as well. If you want to go back to the current transits, just click the Update to Now button, and the chart will return to the current date and time based on your home location. So you'll see my home location is in Naples, Florida. If you had selected this chart to be for Fort Wayne, Indiana, for example, that would not be the default. I would have to manually change the location that I want to update to. So just keep that in mind as you are crafting your charts. The next way that you can use the Spacetime Navigator would be to jump to a specific date and time. This is helpful when you want to explore a particular moment in time, whether it's really far backward or forward sometime in the future. You can use the date and time fields to select. So I can select a specific date by looking at a calendar. I can go back, I can look at the months, I can look at the years. This comes majorly in handy because I love going backward in time and picking obscure dates and times from time past. And we'll update that, and that will just very easily reconfigure the chart to match this calendar date and time that I've selected. Again, it is possible to change the location of the chart. Let's just say London, England. Bada bing, bada boom. Makes it nice and easy to move through space and time. Again, when I update the chart to now, it will default to my home location. We'll come back to this day, this time. in reality, the reality that we all know and love. The Spacetime Navigator is designed to be fluid and intuitive, letting you jump to a specific date, then step forward or backward from there to fine-tune your view. I hope that you love using Luna as much as I've loved using it in my practice. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and follow along for more Luna tutorials.